to gadi ka Jingroi theme song yakabra jurwai da Nonghikai hapo kalama jongka All Primary School Teachers Association nani ka Apsta. Mantaka sengiru aka jingrakhi dap sahu Snem jangan ka seng. Arwai yakan ka Jingroi. Haka bagi Nonghikai na keleng-keleng ki unit joka Apsta kilapoi syakan ka jingrakhi. Haka ka jingrakhi I Prof Streamlet khari bilong Nonghikai joka nehu idang kongsan. Malban ai ke jingkran kongsan hakan dikasni buat ubah Joseph Marwin ublok SD SEU jang selong ulalong kongsan sembut. I Profesor Streamlet abakran haka janglang hapren kini hikai lapan pau ke sngowu ka bakhrau ya kini hikai mariong bara unu bri udben poi sakathong ni sekedan ki baheru uha manya lembah ke jingkai lembah ki primary school dan pau ke jing sokhya ka bajor halor ke jing slam ka jing yelek kini hikai nam tak tulap ke jongki.
It's really astonished in one way, but I really appreciate especially the works and the contributions and the dedication of Pak Shulai, the founder General Secretary of Apsta, to fight all the rights of you, the primary teachers. Many a times when I used to see in the newspapers regarding, the non-payment of salary of the primary teachers, I used to grumble. I used to feel why the hell the government has to discriminate the primary teachers from other teachers, because when we think of the primary teachers, to me, I should have said that they are the pioneer to build up our education. I passed out from the lower primary school of Maupren. It's a mission school. Until now, believe it or not, I give my credit to Kumjuh largely, being my first teacher in my formal school. I am what I am today. It's because I was taught ABKD at the lower primary level. So I believe that each one of us, though we are, at any stage of our education, we have groomed ourselves from the teaching that we got from the primary school level. And having said so, I should also say that all people in any profession, they must have passed through the primary level to become big man or woman. So, to me, the primary teachers are equivalent with the university teachers. When I say that, I would like to also appraise all the teachers. You are no less the best teacher in the world.
Yan ka jing khela pon set ka jing sa naka Apsta mansi unit ka jing rwai naka mau control unit Kumjuh ka jing rwai naka mairang unit.
rakyat izin ederse